knee is always exposed to cold. If you're living in a cold country, usually sometimes we don't aware of it. If you have beginning some problem, have to wear some kneecap or wear some long john or everything, take care of your knee. Because when the knee get cold and the fluid don't flow very well. So that's why the first thing, you rub the hand warm, rub your knee, okay? And just smile and love. It's just like you're part of body, your children, you know. You just care of it, rub it clockwise, 36, counterclockwise, 36, okay? And you feel your knee warm. That is the first step. And now, you move your knee, okay? 1, 2, 3, okay? And the other leg, 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. You just have to move your knee. And when you are good in that, now you can start to learn how to sit and very slowly get up. That's all. And slowly sit down. Okay, and that's all. So just do slow, but important, rub your knee, especially in the cold winter, wear a long john to make your knee don't cold. But when you have the make it warm, the blood easy to flow back. And you rub it, hit them on the back of the knee. So this just simple, take care of it. And simple, hitting it, rub it, I love you, care of you. And it's just like a part of your body. And in the Tao said, the longevity is on your knee. When people cannot walk, and beginning lay down on the bed, cannot move, their life shortened. So that's why take care of your knee, walk your knee, exercise your knee, and rub it, and send love to them. Because your life depending on the knee, okay? Knee, you can walk up to 100 years old if you take care of it, or more than 100 years old.